Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Burning Godzilla surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our surprise fold, we're going to begin by folding our paper in half. So we just want to take our paper and line up the corners and fold it in half just like this, so we have a nice kind of birthday card shape. Next, we're going to take this and fold it in half one more time. We're just going to line up the corners and give it a nice little crease, so it's kind of like a bookmark. Now when we open it up, we have two little lines here and one line in the middle. These are kind of like our guidelines that we don't want to cross when we're drawing. Now to start off with our Burning Godzilla, we're going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here. We just want to start by making a little line that's just going to come down, and we're going to come back like a check mark shape. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to go up here. And I'll also draw another little line down. Now right here, we're going to draw a little line that comes down, and we'll add one or two more little lines here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and we're going to come back here, and then we're going to come down. We're going to draw another line that's going to go over and down, and one more here, over and down with a little line across. Starting here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to go out and then down. We're going to make a little line that's going to come down and over. And we're going to come down and over and up for the jaw. Right here we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down and over, and one more down and over, the little line down. And we're going to make a little curved line right here. Now starting here, we're going to make a couple kind of pointed little lines for the spikes back here. And we'll do one kind of going off the paper. Now that we have this drawn, we want to open it up and work on the inside. Now once we open it up, we have two halves of our Godzilla. The first thing we want to do is draw a little line that's going to come down, and then we're going to come over. Next, over here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come up, and then we're going to come over. Then we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down and then connect. Now we're going to make some sharp teeth on here. And we're going to come all the way to the back, and then we're going to do the same thing here. We're just going to make some sharp pointed teeth all the way to the back. Now for the tongue, we're just going to draw a little line that's going to come down. We're going to go out and then come back. Now because this is Burning Godzilla, we want him to be kind of fighting Ghidorah. So I'm going to be making a Ghidorah skull right inside of here. So I'm going to start right here, and we're just going to make a little line that's just going to go down. And then we're going to curve it back. And we're going to make a little line that's going to come down, and then it's going to go up. We'll also make a little line that's going to come down, and then a little curved line right here. Right here, we're going to make a little line that's going to come up, and then it's going to come down like this. We're going to make a little line that's going to come out and down. We're going to make it come back and then up like this. I'm going to make a long line that's going to come back, and it's going to come down here. We're going to make another one that comes down like this, and another one here that comes down. We're going to make a little line that's going to curve around. Then we're going to add a couple more little lines and a little curve in here. And then I'm going to bring this line a little bit farther back so it kind of goes off the end of the paper. And we're going to add some little curved lines on here as well. We'll do the same thing over here too on these. Then we're going to make some little teeth on here. Then we'll add another kind of little oval shape with a little line in here. With a couple more little lines. Then starting here, we want to make the fire or the atomic blast coming out of Godzilla. So we're just going to make some kind of little pointed lines that are going to come right up here. And then we're going to make some come right down here as well. And here you go. When you have your picture all folded up, you have your Burning Godzilla standing right there. Then when you open it up, he's shooting his blast at Ghidorah, and all that's left is the skull. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.